In this video, I'll guide you through how to compress PDF file size without losing quality. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To compress PDF file size without losing quality, first you need to open a web browser and then search for PDF compressor. Now open IM's website, but I recommend you to go with I love PDF. Then click on select PDF file and select PDF file which you want to compress without losing quality. Once you upload it, then choose your compression level like extreme compression, recommend compression, and less compression. Choose your suitable one and click on compress PDF. Then a compressed PDF file will be ready. Once the compress process is ready, then the PDF file will download on your computer. And your compression percentage is 94%. Before your PDF size was 882 KB and current PDF size is 58 KB. Let's open the PDF file. By following this tutorial, you can easily compress a PDF file without losing quality.